Hello. Here we are going to discuss about human excretory system and the structure of kidney. First of all, we have to know what is excretory system. The different organs involved in excretion together forms a system called excretory system. In case of human, the excretory system is composed of several organs, but the primary or the main organ is kidney. In case of human, a pair of kidney present and leads to a tubular structure from each kidney known as ureter. Each ureter inserted into a bladder-like structure is a hollow muscular body. This is the urinary bladder, which receive the urine and store for some time. And then finally, the urine from the urinary bladder delivered out with the help of urethra. This is the opening of urinary bladder. And this is the structure of human excretory system. Now, we already got that the kidney is the main excretory organ. Now we have to know the detailed structure of kidney. Structure of kidney. Each kidney is somewhat bean-shaped. It's bean-shaped and the color is brownish red. Size of kidney. Kidney is approximately 11 centimeter in length, 6 centimeter in breadth, and 3 centimeter in thickness. The weight of kidney varies depending upon the sex. In case of male, the weight of kidney is approximately 150 gram, whereas in case of female, it is approximately 135 gram. Now the location of kidney. In case of human, kidney is located lower peritoneal cavity, lies on the other side of vertebral column. Each kidney lies between two thoracic vertebrae to third lumbar vertebrae. And here's a remark that the right kidney is somewhat placed lower than the left kidney to accommodate the large lobule of liver in the right side of the body. Now, here's the detailed structure. Here, the detailed structure of human kidney. Here is the detailed structure of mammalian kidney. Now this is the structure of mammalian kidney. By longitudinal section, the mammalian kidney reveals the structure. Each kidney composed of two basic parts. The external thin layer is known as cortex. This layer is known as cortex. This portion is known as cortex, and the inner portion is known as medulla. Medulla and the cortex. The cortex region composed of several inverted pyramid-like structure. Here the red color inverted pyramid-like structure is known as renal pyramid. Is known as renal pyramid. Each renal pyramid leads into a tube. These green color tubes are known as calyx or the major calyx. The major calyx unite to form a common duct, and this position is known as renal sinus. And this renal sinus leads into the ureter. Now we have to mention that the blood which carries the deoxygenated and the toxic substance containing blood enters into the kidney via renal artery, and after inserting into the kidney it gets filtered, and the filtered blood out from the delivered out from the kidney to the body by the renal vein. Now the detailed structure of pyramids is very interesting because all the important works actually happen in this region. In the renal pyramid, this blue color string-like structure is actually nephron. The nephron gets originated from the renal pyramid, and their head portion, I mean the malpighian corpuscle. Actually, we'll learn about the nephron in the latter part, in the latter relation. And just here I'm mentioning that the nephrons are actually originated from the renal pyramid region, but their head portion is basically remain embedded in the cortical region. This is all about the structure of mammalian kidney. Now we have to know the functions of kidney. Now the first function is elimination of toxic substances from our body. Next, another important function of kidney is maintain the water balance in body. Next, kidney also helps to maintain the pH of our body. Another important function is synthesis of erythropoietin hormone. This erythropoietin hormone is actually involved in maturation of RBC, I mean red blood corpuscle, and the maturation of RBC is known as erythropoiesis. And last but not the least, the kidney helps in controlling of blood pressure. Thanks, and it's all about the structure and function of mammalian kidney. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelations.net.